Hey Fat Choy, it's me, Certified Unboxer here, and today we're going to be unboxing my Le Creuset haul that would be perfect for the occasion today, which is the 2021 Chinese New Year. Let's get started. So today we're going to be starting with the wok dish, mini wok or plateau wok by Le Creuset. This is what it looks like. Isn't it pretty? Next, we're going to be unboxing this Le Creuset stoneware mini cocotte in red, or they call it cerise. Perfect. Can you show that? And can you show this? It's really small, right? Put it on your hand. Here. Really small.
Very cute also.
Hi there! I'm back again with the orange Le Creuset bag, and we have some goodies in it. They're not boxed. I don't think they came in boxes, or they probably did, but they just wrapped them for me in brown bags, so we're gonna be unwrapping them. Faith's gonna help me show it to you guys. So let's start with this one. Perfect for ramen or noodles. It's actually pretty big. Like, I think you can, it's, what does it say? 20-ounce Kobe bowl in cerise color.
Right at the bottom up there.
Don't show the price. It's outlet price. And it's on sale.
3.
So we got 3, and you can stack them. I actually had my friend buy me 2 more because I got 5 of these. I just didn't unbox the other 2, but I got 5 for my family because me and my husband and 3 kids. Also 5 of these and that. We also have this for our chopsticks. I wish they all came in cerise color or red, but that's fine. That's okay. Isn't that cute? That's the chopsticks rest.
Or pink color.
Yes. And we also have this
Box.
I think this is the box that these came with. It's a spoon rest.
Whoa, that's so big.
So that's where all of these, when you're
This is
cooking,
so big.
will go.
On the side.
Yeah, for like the spatula.
Mommy.
So like that.
Mommy, how
While
come
you're
it's so
cooking.
big? Oh.
Okay, and then we also have this, which is like a surface protector, an anti-skid mat. We're gonna put it here, and we also have this, which is what we're gonna need for the handles of the next ones that I will be unboxing. Hi there, I'm back. So now we have this to unbox. This is a Le Creuset Windsor pot. It is 1 3/4 US quart, or 1.6 liter.
And that one is a medium one. This one's a large one.
So this is the lid. It's cast iron and enameled in cerise color or red.
There's like a writing up there.
It says Le Creuset, and then this is what it looks like. I love that the handle is also cast iron. It's heavy, Faith.
Okay. Le Creuset. Let me put it on the top together. Both heavy.
Good job, Faith. I also got this handle sleeve, silicone handle sleeve. I don't know if it'll fit, but let's see. It's heavy.
You're very heavy.
Nope, it doesn't fit. But I'm pretty sure this fits the regular saucepans, but I like this one better than the regular saucepan. I don't really know. I think I can use this as a saucepan, but it's way cuter with the handle like this. I just have to be careful. I could probably do this. Okay, so that is the Windsor pot. And remember that sleeve, it's called silicone handle grips. So I actually didn't unbox it. Let me show you guys.
So we have to put on here.
These ones. So what are we gonna be using it for? Okay, show it, Faith, closer.
Le Creuset.
Faith is my assistant.
And
Okay.
another Le Creuset up there. I don't know what these are for.
Oh, good job, Faith. Okay, so now we're gonna put this aside. My assistant, Faith, can you put this on the side, the Windsor pot? Actually, let me put it here. There we go. And then, so now we have this resistant non-skid mat from Le Creuset.
And it says cool too.
Cool tool. And now we're gonna be unboxing
I get it.
the one that would be perfect. We're gonna be using today for Chinese New Year. Oh my gosh, it's huge. It is, the size is 5 US quart.
No, those are so big.
And this is the glass lid.
I'm not even able to carry this.
Careful,
This is
Faith.
Kind
careful.
of. This is really heavy.
And it comes with like a, I don't know, a
It
book.
has a Le Creuset spelling. A lot of
Book.
things says Le Creuset.
And this is what it looks like.
It's so heavy.
Ta-da!
It's so heavy. I cannot even carry that.
I'm gonna put this in the front. There you are.
Now I'm gonna put the
It's 5 US quart, and it's also in cerise color, which is red. What did I say?
insurance color.
Okay. And there you have it. So there you have it. This is all my Le Creuset Chinese New Year haul. And I just really want to thank you for watching my unboxing video. Again, it's Certified Unboxer. You can follow me on Instagram, Certified Unboxer. And also I have a YouTube channel, which I will be posting this as well. So you can subscribe. It's called Certified Unboxer. Thank you. Peace.